Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete effects in DaVinci Resolve. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As you can observe, I've already made edits to these clips. Now let's choose this particular clip. Need to highlight it, right click and choose remove attributes, and here you'll find various editing options. Click on video attributes and you notice all options are checked. Similarly, if you made edits to the audio, you can choose audio attributes. Once you finalize your choices, hit on apply. And now, if you want to delete a Fusion edit, follow these steps. First, highlight the clip containing the Fusion edit. Right click and choose Reset Fusion Composition. Confirm the deletion by clicking on Reset. This action will remove the Fusion edits completely. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.